Well, good morning. I'm Mrs. Ward. One of my passions, which may surprise you, but it's something that I really enjoy doing when I have some free time, is jewelry making. I have some other hobbies as well, but that is one of them. And I have to give a shout out because my inspiration actually came from a Clairbourn family member, Dr. Patslav's mother, who is an excellent jewelry maker. I am nowhere near as good as your mother. I just enjoy doing it and having fun in my free time. So I also actually did it as an elective here at Clairbourn. I don't think I have anybody here any longer who was in those classes when I worked in the library, because that's been a little while now. So I brought some samples of the older things I've made. These are some of my first ones. I actually started first trying to make the friendship bracelets. These are one of my first ones. They're okay. That actually took like the longest time to do. Then I got into the beading, and that's just a lot of fun because you can collect all the beads and find them everywhere, and I have a little place set up in one of the rooms of my house where I just have jars and jars and jars of beads, and every time I find fun ones, I buy some more. And then when I have some extra time, it's nice to just be able to go in there, sit down, and try and make something. Some of them work, some I take apart, some I like. I spent the last few years making quite a few for my sports family, especially my son's water polo team, in our sports team colors and things like that, especially a lot of these. These are the ones I started with next, with the little beads, and they're very bright, and I like those. I've since started working more with the metal. I don't have too much here with the metal. And I started collecting, I've always liked to collect seashells and sea glass. And I've discovered that you can wrap with metal some of the sea glass and make pendants and things like that. So that's what I'm currently working on. And I'm also going to, hopefully, fingers crossed, get to take a little workshop at the colleges by me on metalworking to do some of the hammering of metal. I like the hammered metal and earrings and the little beads and things like that. So stay tuned. It might work. Might go right back to my beads, which I like, and they're not stressful. So, as you can see, you don't have to be a professional at it. Some of my inspiration, can come from everywhere. Some of the things middle school did, I thought was far more creative than what I was able to do. And then I just try and see if I can do the same thing. It doesn't matter what you enjoy, as long as you enjoy it and it inspires you. So I enjoy that time to be creative, stress reliever, enjoy my time. Find something, I encourage everybody to just find something fun that they like to do to fill their free time. It just makes you smile. And one more shout out, go 49ers.